Guys, when it
Jack
comes to
Roberto
security,
update. Yan
trust
po
and
si Jack sa kanyang Instagram. Yan, flame-proof, waterproof, smart lock. Yan, nagpagawa si Jack na smart lock sa kanyang bahay. Yan, ganda. High-tech yan.
For my master bedroom, I got MGS flip lock
Yan, may flip lock,
with fingerprints,
fingerprint,
key card,
yan, key card.
and also emergency key
Yan,
access.
3-in-1. Solid.
For my main door, I got MGS hydroflake
Lado
plus.
flame. Nakikita pa nga yung
Facial
mga Jack.
recognition.
Yan, gwapo.
Plus, enjoy 9 advanced ways of unlocking.
Yan, high-tech. Ganda ng bahay ni Jack.
It's also flame-proof and waterproof with Wi-Fi remote access.
Yan, may wifi remote access pa. Sa top post ng Jack Babies Forever. Yun, lakas ng chemistry nila Jack sa ni Kylie Padilla. Simula na nagkasama sila sa Bolera, ngayon sa My Father's Wife. Yan. Abangan yung dalawa. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.